Why should you choose Chart Your Course International? 1. We're easy to work with. We have a full-time staff whose main goal is to provide you exceptional service. 2. Our assessments are validated by research, are fully EEOC compliant and available in over 30 languages. 3. Our assessments are customizable. Add your own logo and contact information. Add or remove pages. Just about anything you want to do. 4. We're the nation's leading provider of DISC, motivators, and emotional intelligence certification training. We deliver these over the web or on site. 5. Our DISC materials and resources are provided to you forever for free. 6. We provide lifetime support. All our solution providers are glad to provide you ongoing coaching, advice, and support for your projects. Please contact us now by calling 800-821-2487 or visit our website at www.chartcourse.com.